Hi, I'm Michael Romine with Houston Grass. If you're looking for sod installation in Friendswood, Texas, you're in the right place. We serve Friendswood and the surrounding Galveston County area with premium Texas-grown turf grass. The right grass depends on your sun, shade, and how you use your yard. We offer Raleigh St. Augustine, Palmetto St. Augustine, Cobalt St. Augustine, Tifway 419 Bermuda, and Zoysia options like Palisades, Emerald, and Cavalier. If your yard has shade, Palmetto or Cobalt may be the best fit. If you want a durable, easy care lawn with more sun, Raleigh or Palisades may be a great choice. And if you need a tough grass for full sun and heavier traffic, Tifway 419 Bermuda is often a strong option. We also work with homeowners in communities like West Ranch and other Friendswood neighborhoods. In many HOA communities, front yard grass requirements may be specific, so it's always a smart idea to check before you choose. If you're not sure what grass is best for your property, we can help you find the right solution. At Houston Grass, we help you choose the right grass and get your lawn started the right way. If you're ready to improve your Friendswood lawn, give us a call or request a quote online.